Yo, what you doing now? What's that?
Basically, we got a 25 celebration.
Why are you opening it?
Listen, we can get Charizard.
Oh my god.
Old school Charizard. So
Alright, listen. Guys.
Okay, yo,
Guys.
Look at this.
He's lost the plot. He's gone crazy. He's gone crazy. He gone mad.
Okay, listen.
Listen, if we get if we get a big card, then I'll show it on here. Alright.
No, come.
No, go through it.
This is come here. Just leave it here then.
We gotta catch them all. Yo guys, I said if it's a big one, we'll show you. What is it? Trainer cards. What is
Flying Pikachu.
it? Can't see it.
Here, use it. I need to put that in the case.
What?
We got actually quite a good.
Hey, what is
this? We got him as well. Yo.
Oh, it's a flying Pikachu. What? Look at that.
Yo, that's actually a good card. Man.
Wow.
We've got so many of these cards. I think we need to resell these, bro.
Wow.
We need to start reselling.
Wow. We caught a Pikachu. Who did we just pack?
You too.
No way.
And then we got obviously Professor. We got two Professors as well.
And two Professors.
And Palki.
But look at this card. Wow.
We got the Japanese one.
What a card. What a card.